3. In this video, I'll show you how to make a talking avatar with Higgsfield. First, open your web browser, go to the Higgsfield website, and sign into your account. From the dashboard, start a new project and choose the tool for creating an AI avatar or talking video. Next, upload a clear portrait photo or select an AI-generated character you want to animate. Make sure the face is clearly visible so the AI can create natural facial expressions and lip movements. Now, add the dialogue for your avatar. You can either type the script you want the avatar to speak or upload an audio recording if that option is available. Then choose the voice, language, and speaking style that best matches your project. After that, customize your video settings. Adjust options such as the aspect ratio, video quality, background, and any available animation or camera settings. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click Generate and wait while Higgsfield creates your talking avatar. Finally, preview the finished video to make sure the voice, lip sync, and facial expressions look the way you want. If you'd like to make improvements, edit the script, change the voice, or adjust the settings, then generate another version. Once you're happy with the result, download the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a talking avatar with Higgsfield. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.